Hey guys, it's Miss Ginny. Today I'm going to do a different type of YouTube video where I show you how I can use my computer screen to do some follow-up work about the rainforest. What I did was I went to National Geographic Kids. If you look up here where my arrow is pointing, you can see that I went to kids.nationalgeographic.com. So it'd be a great thing to get an adult to help you do. Once I got there, I went to search and I clicked on search. Once on the search page, I entered in the name of a rainforest animal I wanted to learn more about. So today I am interested in learning more about the jaguar. And it looks to me like there's an article right here that I can click on to find out more about the jaguar. Ooh, check that out. I can do a slideshow where I look at different pictures. It says jaguars are the largest of South America's big cats and the third largest cats in the world. Oh my gosh, look at these amazing pictures. Up here, there's a caption that says, a jaguar's spots are called rosettes because they're shaped like roses. I never knew that. That's really cool. Oh my goodness, look at this. It says jaguar moms are very protective of their cubs and teach them to hunt when they are young. Looks like we've got another picture to look at here. It says some cats dislike water, but not the jaguar. This rainforest cat native to Central and South America swims in rivers to hunt for fish, turtles, and caimans. Oh man, and I'm not sure you can see this. I'm going to make the caption smaller so you can see. This is a map of the world, and this yellow section that's covered in right here is the area of the world where jaguars can be found. And it's interesting because this overlaps almost perfectly with where the Amazon rainforest is that we've been learning so much about. So now I'm going to go back down. I can scroll down and it gives me all types of information about jaguars. Okay, now if you come over here, I have put up a document that looks exactly like you could make your notebook look. If you are someone who wants to do an animal report this week, you could make your notebook look like this by writing down name and the name of your animal. So I chose jaguar. And then next it says type of animal. All year we've been studying mammals, we've been studying reptiles, we've been studying amphibians, insects, birds, fish. If you look, National Geographic almost always lists the type of animal, and it says here that jaguars are mammals. Okay, so now I'm going to come back over here, I'm going to read the article, and I'm going to see if I can come up with 1, 2, 3 interesting facts about jaguars. So up here it says some things that I've read before. It says jaguars are the largest, I'm trying to highlight it so you can see where I'm reading. Jaguars are the largest of South America's, it's just not working for me. Jaguars are the largest of South America's big cats and the third largest cats in the world. Their fur is usually tan or orange with black spots called rosettes because they are shaped like roses. Some jaguars are so dark they don't seem to have spots. So I think that this was full of some really interesting facts. The thing that stood out to me is this word rosettes, because that's not something I've ever heard before. So I'm going to come over to my notebook and I'm going to write jaguars have tan fur with spots called rosettes. I just looked right there to figure out how to spell rosettes. Okay, right there. All right, let's keep reading and look for 2 more interesting facts about jaguars. It says, unlike many other cats, jaguars do not avoid water. In fact, they are quite good swimmers. Rivers provide prey in the form of fish, turtles, or caimans, small alligator-like animals. Ooh, I'm glad they explained what a caiman was. I didn't understand what that was when we were looking at the pictures earlier. It says jaguars also eat animals such as deer, peccaries, capybaras, and tapirs. They sometimes climb trees to prepare an ambush, killing their prey with one powerful bite. So one thing I noticed is that as I was reading this paragraph or section, the entire thing was pretty much about how jaguars eat animals. And I'm remembering from our work in the classroom that that makes them carnivores. So I'm going to come over here and write my second fact. Jaguars are carnivores. They eat, and I'm going to look back over here for those ideas, fish, turtle, or caimans. Fish, turtles, or caimans. Okay, let's keep reading here. Because of their size, strength, and predatory skills, jaguars are considered one of the big cats. Tigers, leopards, cheetahs, and cougars are also part of this grouping. Very cool. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to write my third fact. Jaguars are one of the big cats because of their size, strength, and it says predatory skills, but I would just say and because they're so fierce. Okay, so this information, this collection of facts, is going to help me later in the week when I work on writing my animal report. Okay, so for now, let's just review where you could go to get some of this information. If you ask an adult to help you find National Geographic Kids, you click on the search button up here, and then you want to type in one of the rainforest animals that we've been studying. So you might want to learn more about the sloth. Let's see if there's an article about the sloth. There sure is. You might want to learn more about macaws. That's been brought up a couple of times. Let's see. Ooh, it doesn't look like there's a whole article about macaws, so that would not be a good animal for me to pick. Let's see. What about the tree porcupines? Ooh, looks like they've got regular porcupines. You would have to dig around a little bit to see if that was a good one for you to study, okay? So if you're not sure what animals to look up, you can go back and look at the list you made last week when we read the Great Kapok Tree, or you could ask your family to text me for some suggestions. Have a great day, guys. See you back here tomorrow.